Round 1, fight!
So we're going to check the standard ball end mill first. All right, now it's time to check the lens end mill finish.
The lens end mill wins.